Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel for more latest updates. Today's my video is very interesting. Why this video is for you? If you are a jobless and if you are a housewife or if you are a student and you need instant money, then this video is for you. After watching this video you will be able to make instant money. So let's start how to earn money from Fiverr. Today's my topic is about how to earn money from Fiverr. You can earn money from Fiverr, you can earn money from home. Now let's start. First of all, I will tell you about what is Fiverr. What is Fiverr? It is an online marketplace for freelance services. The company provides a platform for freelancers to offer services to customers worldwide. You can offer your services to customers worldwide. So what are freelance services? What freelance services you will offer on Fiverr? If you are a content marketing, content marketer, you know about content writing, you can offer your services on Fiverr. If you're a graphic designer, you can offer your services on Fiverr and make money. And if you're a copywriter, you can earn money from Fiverr. If you are a video editor, you can earn money from Fiverr. If you are a WordPress developer, then you can earn money from Fiverr. You can offer your services on Fiverr. If you're a logo designer, then you can earn money from Fiverr. If you are a programmer and software developer, then you can also earn money from Fiverr. If you're a social media marketer, you can earn money from Fiverr. If you are a web developer, you can earn money from Fiverr. If you know more about e-commerce and you can expert in it, then you can earn money from Fiverr. You can offer all these services and many other services on Fiverr and you can make money easily. How much does the average freelancer make on Fiverr? This is very important question. How much does the average freelancer make money on Fiverr? According to recent report by onomics, 96.3% of sellers on Fiverr make $500. It's a huge amount. If you are a jobless, if you are a student, and if you are a housewife, then $500 is enough for you. And if you think this is very low investment for you, low money for you, then how much money experts can make from Fiverr? How much money experts, if you are expert in your skill, then how much money can you make? Then experts can make up to $1,000 per month from Fiverr by providing their services in which they are expert. One thing you should remind in your brain, this $1,000 is for those who are experts in their skills. Now, how much time it will take to earn $1,000? If you are skilled in your skill, it may take you a month or a few months to start your freelancing. Depends on how consistent and hardworking you are. But once you are in the zone, you can't go back to the job life or fixed salary anymore, because the earning potential in freelancing is so high. Now I will tell you about Fiverr interface. I will show you Fiverr interface. So I will write Fiverr on Google. You can see here fiverr.com. This is the Fiverr interface. You can see here. You can see here many services which people are offering: WordPress, logo design, video explainer, social media, and many more. If you are a graphic designer, digital marketer, writer, video editor, music and audio, programmer, business, lifestyle, data, all these services you can offer. So let's take some example. We will go here. Suppose if you are a WordPress developer, then here you can see here 1857 services available who are providing their services to WordPress. They are providing their services. Suppose we open this profile. Suppose we open this profile. See here I will do professional and responsive landing page design. Here you can see here previous work, and here is the services which he is offering: basic, standard and premium. These are the three packages. In basic packages his price is low, and standard package his price is increase, and in premium package his price increases more. You can see here 3 orders in a queue, and he has done 80 reviews, means he has done 80 orders on Fiverr. He has taken 80 orders from Fiverr. You can see here about this gig. Here is the gig, and here is his name: Developer Manik, professional WordPress developer. He is from Bangladesh. You can also make your profile on Fiverr. You can also make your profile. First learn the skills which I have told you, then sign in on Fiverr and make your profile like this and make money from Fiverr. You can earn money from Fiverr easily. This is not a big task. Now you can see, we take another example. Suppose programming and tech. If you are a good programmer, then see here. If you are a game developer, then you can click here game developer. You can see here, I will edit or fix your Fiverr scripts. I will provide online consulting for immersive game design. I will develop and design money making games. These all are the people who are providing their services. Suppose you like this gig, you say these all are the gigs. We say gigs on Fiverr language. In Fiverr language we say gigs. Suppose you like this gig, you will just continue and you will pay him, and you will get your task. Now you can see many different services people are providing. If you are a musician and audio, you can do voiceover, you can do mixing and mastering, you are an expert in producers and composers, and many more: singers, songwriters, beat making, podcast editing, audiobook production, many more. You can see many more. These all are the services which you can offer if you are expert in your skill. So I will make another video in which I will tell you more about Fiverr, how it works. And this was a basic video of Fiverr, how Fiverr works, how you can earn money from Fiverr. So you can see. Thanks for watching our video. Kindly subscribe to our channel if you want to know more about, and if you have any confusion regarding my video, just comment, I will explain you. Thanks for watching our video.